Persuasive Speech by Dominique Wadley. Stem cell research. Stem cell research is one of the most fascinating areas in contemporary biology. Although research is only in its early stages, there is a growing consensus among researchers that many very effective medical treatments can be realized through cloning stem cells. This is because these cells can be made to replicate specific human tissues. These cells offer possibility of a renewable source of replacement cells and tissues to treat a myriad of diseases, conditions, and disabilities. Disabilities and diseases including Parkinson's and Alzheimer's, spinal cord injuries, stroke, burns, heart disease, diabetes, osteoarthritis, and rheumatoid arthritis. There is almost no realm of medicine that might not be touched by this innovation. Stem cells are distinguished from other types of cells by two important characteristics. First, they are unspecialized cells capable of renewing themselves through cell division, sometimes after long periods of inactivity. Second, under certain physiological or experimental conditions, they can be induced to become tissue or organ-specific cells with special functions. Stem cells are important for all living organisms. They have the remarkable potential to develop into many different types of cells in the body during the life and growth. In the 3 to 5 day embryo, called a blastocyst, the inner cells give rise to the entire body of the organism, including all of the many specialized cell types and organs such as the heart, lungs, skin, and other tissues. When a stem cell divides, each new cell has the potential either to remain a stem cell or to become a specialized cell, such as a muscle cell or a red blood cell or a brain cell. The major argument for stem cell research is obviously that it could lead to major medical advancements. Stem cells have already been tested on some human patients and shown results. Better treatment of these diseases could also give significant social benefits for individuals and economic gains for the society by improving the lives of millions. Someone dying or suffering from a possible curable disease is a tragedy. A relatively new research field for stem cells is in birth defects. A recent study began with mice that had been exposed to heroin in the womb. These mice suffer from learning deficits. When placed in a tank of murky water, for instance, they take longer than normal mice to find their way back to a submerged platform. And in an area of the brain associated with memory and navigation, critical biochemical pathways are disrupted and fewer new cells are produced. All of those problems are swiftly resolved when the researchers inject neural stem cells derived from embryonic mice into the brains of the heroin-exposed animals. When swimming, the treated mice caught up with their normal counterparts, and their cellular and biochemical deficits disappeared. Imagine if doctors could someday grow organs for those who needed transplants. Imagine the resources, time, and most importantly, lives that would be saved. Imagine if birth defects could be cured or reversed. Imagine the quality of life that would be enhanced for those children and their families.